Patrick McGann, and I'm very excited to be back in this community and providing the dental care that is so important to me, to the members of the community, and to once again be involved with the East Metro area.
It's kind of nice having a new doctor in the practice. It brings a little bit of fresh air and new eyes and new techniques.
His philosophy is the same as Dr. Gabowski's, wants to take care of the patient in the best possible way.
I started interviewing people to eventually take over. I didn't want to find a clone, but I wanted somebody that had a very close philosophy of thinking alike. And so I probably interviewed in the neighborhood of 24 different people over a period of about 3 to 5 years. Discussing philosophy, discussing my ideas, and trying to find somebody that really wanted to carry on in the same direction. I've always talked about practicing with integrity, and that just meant that the bottom line was I was trying to practice as if everybody was my sister or my brother or my parents.
Well, the approach I like to take, my philosophy of practice, is to be complete, to be comfortable, and to be affordable. So we focus on complete dentistry. We don't focus on the individual tooth. We focus on the whole mouth and how the teeth coming together relates to the jaw joint also. We look at the whole masticatory or chewing system as a whole. That's what I call complete dentistry. Also with Denny, he's a graduate of the Dawson Academy, and that's the same course that I'm involved with right now. And so we just found that our philosophies and way of practicing dentistry seem to mesh.
We're in the job of helping people get healthy. And if they really want to get healthy, the best way to do it is to just have a complete treatment plan and figure out what we have to do day one through whatever it takes, whether it takes 5 years or 2 years or 6 months. Whatever that plan is, that's kind of the idea.
Part of my philosophy of practice is to become involved with the community. And I like to do that several ways. I regularly volunteer at the Union Gospel Mission in St. Paul. And we provide free dental care to those who are uninsured or unemployed.
I've been working with Dr. McGann now for about 2.5 years. And it's been here at the clinic, so that's kind of how I got my opportunity. He said, hey, if you want to come in and work with me, you can, because I didn't know if I wanted to go into dental or not. And here I am still 2.5 years later. Even if it's not going to be for a service that he knows he's going to get paid for, he's doing it out of the kindness of his heart rather than for the bottom line.
I would say one of the best ways for patients to learn about our practice is to visit the website. We have a lot of good information on there. It talks about the philosophy of practice that we have. They can learn more about the office and the staff. We've got all the other information like the phone number and hours and things like that.
For the former patients, it's new faces here, but the philosophy is still the same. And for new patients that are coming, they walk in the front door and they can feel that we all get along and that there's an ease here at the office, there's a comfort here at the office. It's not just a typical dental office, it's a comfortable place to be.